My name is Robert. I am a safety inspector for BattleBots. I'm also the robot operations manager for BattleBots Destructathon here in Las Vegas. Safest place for that to happen is actually probably in the arena in the BattleBox. We have respirators, we have masks, we have gloves, we have fire extinguishers. We have an entire ventilation system that goes out to a 20-foot scrubber container outside. And what we'll do is we'll then contain the battery. We'll either remove the battery if it's not already ejected from the robot itself, contain the battery into a bucket with CellBlock, and then we'll wrap that bucket up and send it outside to a safe zone to be taken care of later.